Hey everybody, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. And today I'm doing I was looking for some inspiration. So I was watching Mixed Media Girl's channel and I saw where she did a splash technique, I think she called it. Um, so I thought I would tweak it a little bit for today. So I covered this as a 9x12 canvas. I covered it with Arteza Titanium White, the pouring colors. I'm trying to use those up. Um, and in one bowl, I have warm colors, red, yellow, white. And in between the layers, I put 1 drop of silicone. And in my next bowl, I have cool colors, blues, greens. I'll put all the colors in the description because there's quite a few and they're not all Arteza. So basically what we're going to do is just splash warm and cold colors out of the cup until they're gone and see what happens. Alright, here is your close-up. This is the bottom left corner. Top right. And going through the middle. I think this is really beautiful. The colors mixed nicely. Even got this right here in the sea of blue. You've got this red, yellow. I don't even know what you call that, but that's really neat how that showed up in all that blue. And then the greens, of course. And just enough white to kind of separate the colors a little bit. There's a sea creature right there. Alright. So that is this week's video. I'm pretty happy with this. I'm gonna try this a couple different times in different colors, different ways. Alright, so you can find us on Facebook and at thelittlepoorhouse.com. And as always, have a wonderful week and thank you for watching. See you next time.